Why do you think my squash plants are drying up and look like this? I have to water them 2 or 3 times a day. Well, I'm probably going to have to transplant these or I'm going to lose them. So I'm going to dig up an area right here on the ground, put them on the ground and see if they'll continue growing. Hopefully they will, but I hate to get them started like that and then lose them. That's a bunch of squash plants that should keep us going all summer. And then we got our other garden stuff over there. But I think I'm just going to dig it up right here and move those down there on the ground so I can keep them watered.
You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to show me sorry you have changed now. But it's the same old story. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why?
I might have the same problem here, because as you can see, when I get the camera in the right spot, that stuff is dry. Well, I'm going to use the same thing I've been using, although it drains pretty fast, but vegetable garden soil. And I'll put some in there and wet them down real good. Then I'm going to move those down to there. Whew.
Have to get over you again. Have to get over you. I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. Have to get over you again.
As you can see, it's got pretty good roots on it. Hopefully it'll take off. It's probably root bound in that container. We're going to put it in the ground, put some more dirt around it, and we'll see how that's going to work.
So glad that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold all
I know what you're saying. That's enough water. That's enough water. But look, what's this? What's this? Dry. So yeah, we'll give it a good watering. Well, I'm pretty sure there was root down in here, and this just was not enough dirt for these plants. So I've transplanted them into the ground, put some more dirt around them, not just the stems, because they're not even growing out. And hopefully they'll take off and start growing better and produce a lot of squash. So I've got a lot more over there in the bucket that I think is having the same issue, and I may just have to move those from the buckets over to here too. So anyway, thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more of my videos, ring the bell. Hey, this is Harold. You guys have an awesome day. See you later.